Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that what is do file, how to create, save and execute do file. So basically do file is very helpful because when we are running so many commands like 50 to 100, like 20, 30 commands, and if we want to run these commands again and again, so it would be difficult for us to uh, remain or keep that all commands in our mind. So the easiest way is to save all these commands, and next time when we are again doing all the test or analysis on the similar data set, we can simply execute these commands on a single click. So in our today lecture, we are interested in to apply and save and edit the do file. So now let's do it. First of all, let's take any data set into STATA. So for example, we are going to take the data set from here, and here is our data set. So let's take this data set population. So now here you can see that first command is run over here, that it created our data set. Then go to statistics, summary statistic, and let's take the median or the summary statistics of age group. Select here variable, then submit, and okay. So now here the second command is done. Then go again to graphics, and here let's say we are going to want a histogram of these, then click on OK. So it will create an histogram in a few seconds. So now we have 4 commands over here. Then go to summary, and go to summary and descriptives, and here we can write correlation and covariance. Let's take white and black, then submit. Okay. So now here you can see that we have multiple commands run over here. So if we want to save all these commands, so how to do it? So simply press Ctrl A and select all these commands, then copy, then go to new do file editor here and paste all the commands here, then go to file and click on save as, and name this file as, let's post population pop data, and save on desktop, then save. Then now if you want to execute all these commands on a single click, so how to do it? So you have to go to file, then click on open, and click the file you have saved recently. We have saved this data set, population data. Click on it. So now here you can see that it has opened all the commands that we have saved. Then press this button, execute do. So it will automatically run all the commands that we have created here. So now you can see that it has run all the commands here again. So this is how you can create a do file. And similarly, if you want to make any changes, then you can write multiple commands over here. So you can edit the do file as well. So this is a very useful command. And if you are working on a thesis or your article or in your paper, so you must have your do file. So it will keep you record that what type of analysis and what type of command you have already run on your data set. So it is the most important tool while using STATA. So I request all of you that keep must do file while working on STATA. So thank you for our today lecture. If you have any query and question, you can ask me freely.